Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to find routing number on Chase app. First thing I want you to do is log into your Chase account. This is pretty straightforward because the routing number is nested within a specific account details for checking or saving. So you just open the accounts list here by tapping on this. You go ahead and select a checking account that you need. And from that checking account, what you do is you access the account details. So go ahead and find the routing number for that. So you can see, tap here on see details and you'll see routing and account number. So here's the routing number. Then you have the account number as well. And you can just go ahead and expand on that. And you can just copy this and use it on any transaction you need. So this will be useful for setting up your direct deposit or ACH transfers. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.